like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so I can notify you every time I post a video. Now today, we are going to be learning how to do a front tuck. As you can know, as you see, my baby brother is sitting right here. Say hi! Say hi! So, I can't do a front tuck in jeans or a fancy shirt because I might get dirty. So first things first, you want to change to like a comfy outfit. You could change it to a workout outfit too. So I think I'm going to change into a workout outfit. So see you when I'm done. Hey guys, I'm back, and as you can see, I've changed to some comfortable clothing, and I need to stay hydrated. And remember, you always have to stay hydrated. And I brought a smoothie, and this is Fat Tuesdays, which they have alcoholic stuff. But this is non-alcoholic because, like, why would I drink? So let's get on. First step is to stretch. So I'm going to stretch. And you normally have to have some strength when you do a front tuck. So let's do arm circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to stretch your legs because you have to jump and have some strength too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, one more stretch for our legs down the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're ready. First step is to jump with your mighty strength. Second step is to jump a little bit more, then go down, and then jump like that. Third step is to do the downward dog still and have a little might. Then flip over. Don't forget to take a drink break. Now let's do it all together. So, 1, 2, 3. That's how you do it. So guys, that's pretty much it. So comment down below what other tricks do you want me to do. And again, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and click that notification bell. Peace. Say bye-bye.